Hi, I'm David and welcome to Leisure Bit. Today we're coming to you from Durham and the Durham Miners Gala 2022. Let's go and take a look.
Well, what a fantastic experience at the Durham Miners Gala at the weekend. I camped at the Gala Campsite, which you can see here, and you can book up for next year now, £16.30 including the booking fee for an adult and £8.54 for a child. That's per person per night. There's food available and there's entertainment on the evenings, and there was also toilets and showers and somewhere where you could dispose of your rubbish and a bar. I'd like to say a massive shout out to George from the CV Owners Group for recommending and organising such a fantastic weekend, and also a big shout out to the people that organised the camping and the gala.
Today we're off to the Durham Miners Gala.
The order of events for the day is 8:30 till 12, bands and banners parade through Durham City. At 12 noon on the show field there's music and performances. 1 till 2:30 guest speakers, and 3 till 4 the cathedral service. The 2022 Gala is the 136th Durham Miners Gala. It's also known as the Big Meeting. All of the different banners and bands paraded through Durham City, and then they stop and perform in front of the county, and then they make their way to the show field later in the morning. So let's take a wander around now and have a look at some of the bands and banners parading. Now headed down to the bridge and followed up the back of the procession. You just see the cathedral there in the background. We'll now take a wander back up the bank into the marketplace. This, the 136th Gala, has been dedicated to the frontline workers. You can see the people watching from the balcony at the county there. Just starting to make my way down now towards the showground. It was amazing how many different banners and bands there were making their way to the showground. Just arriving now at the showground. At this point it was about 11ish, so people were just starting to make their way into the showground. See, it's a little bit quieter and it got pretty busy later on. Nice little bandstand by the riverside there. Around the showground there was toilets, there was a fairground, there was a number of marquees, and there was plenty of places to get food and drink. There was even an ice cream van. You can see some of the banners still coming in, and when they arrive they're actually placed along the fence line. So you can see it's starting to pick up a little bit now, and quite a few more people than when we'd arrived at the showground. A little later in the afternoon the speeches start, and then everyone makes their way to the cathedral for the service, or those ones that are attending it. At this point I decided to head back to the campsite. It was still pretty busy in front of the county, as you can see here. Had a cup of coffee and chilled out for the afternoon, and then watched the evening entertainment. And then on Sunday morning it was time to head back. I've included here, just to finish the video, leaving from the site, just to give you an idea. If you decide to camp here next year, you would know in reverse order how to get into the site from the A1. So we'll just finish off heading up from the campsite at the college up to the A1. I'll pop links in the description for more information on the Miners Gala, and also where to go to book up for 2023. The Miners Gala next year, which will be the 137th Durham Miners Gala, takes place on Saturday the 8th of July 2023, and you can book accommodation now for Friday the 7th and or Saturday the 8th of July in the campsite. And that opens on Friday at noon and it closes at 3 p.m. on the Sunday, so you can spend plenty of time having a look around Durham and the surrounding area if you wish to make that part of your trip. I also had a wander into Durham on the Friday, which was really nice, and had a nice beer just by the riverside, which was fantastic. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful, and I hope to see you at next year's Durham Miners Gala